Working remotely for a tech company has become increasingly popular in the recent years, but it can also be challenging to stay focused and productive outside of a traditional office environment. Here are 3 techniques that can help you stay productive when working remotely. First, use noise-cancelling headphones to block out distractions and create a focused work environment. This can be especially important if you're working in a noisy or busy area. Second, consider using a standing desk to improve your posture and increase your energy level throughout the day. You don't need an expensive setup, just find a surface that's comfortable to work at while standing. Finally, use a productivity app to help you stay on track and manage your time effectively. There are many apps available that can help you set your goals, prioritize tasks, and track your progress. By using these techniques, you can increase your productivity and stay focused when working remotely for a tech company. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.